Hi guys, my name is Chandra Reddy. My registration number is 015CS228. Now I'm going to do my seventh experiment in Unix lab, Unix and Linux lab. So this experiment is about this is the following experiment. What we need to do: file operations using system calls. Develop a C program using system calls to implement the following operations. These are the following operations: display the contents of the file, existing file, create and write contents to a file, append contents to an existing file, copy the file contents from source file to destination file, and copy the file contents from source file only from 10th byte to 100th byte to the destination file, and display the last 50 bytes of a file using duplicate file descriptor. And again, last one is renaming the existing file. So whatever the file we have taken, that should be renamed. So let me show you the outputs for the this is the following code for the to display the content of the file entered in the file text to be opened. So this is the code involved in the this is the following code: file star file ptr file pointer. Here I have initialized as file pointer, and character file name, whatever the character we are going to give, that is here I have initialized only maximum length of 15, and character ch, and printf. Enter the file name to be opened, and again scanf. So since we have used the C programming here, scanf, that is nothing but percentage yes file name. So here it is reading the file name, and again ftpr equals to, here we have used the system calls open, fopen file name, and or if f pointer equals to null, then it is going to be into this loop, and it will say that the file cannot be opened, and it is coming out from the loop. And again, if ch equals to, that is nothing but a variable, equals to f get f pointer, then while is not equals to ch is not equals to eof, then it is going to be printed as then the character will be printed, that is nothing but whatever the text we are going to type over there in the file, that will be shown, and f close. Now let me show you the output, how it is going to be done. File name, enter the file name to be opened. Since I have created txt, since it don't have anything, so I'm going to give sam2.txt. Not found. Wait. Now this is the thing not working. I'm going to show you output. Sorry, sam2.txt. And it is going to show the whatever the text it is containing in the file, that is going to be shown over here. So this is about the first one, and the second thing is write the content of the file. So the main thing is here we need to give some information, and that information should be stored in another file. This is the simple thing over here. Now let me show you the code, how it is being done. The same thing here, I have taken f pointer, and character name I have given as 20, and int age. The simple thing is here we are just giving the name, age, and salary. That things will be stored in another, whatever the text may be. Here I have initialized like this. So the name, age and salary will be stored in another text file. So this is the following text file where the information is going to be stored. For that I have used the open system call over here, fopen, and again if f pointer equals to null, then it is going to be the file does not exist. Otherwise enter the name, write data. So these are the things will be done. These are the operation will be done over the in the program. So let me show you the output how it is going to be work. 7b dot c. Enter the name. Here I am entering the name and the age and again salary. Yeah, this is the salary I'm giving over here. Now let me show you the text file that what we have given over here. So this is the following text file we have used for getting the information. Thank you. Oh no, no, no. Now let me show you the another programs. This is the second one, and the third one is append the content of the file, enter the file name, append now append the content of the file. For that 7c.c. Yeah, this is the following code for appending the file. Here all the library functions I have included over here, and again here the starting from the main, I have taken the character fname maximum limit of 20, and printf please enter the file name to be appended data, then again scanf. So here the name will be scanned, and again character but buffer, and character buffer also I have taken here, that is 100, and printf please enter the content to append. So whatever the content you need to give, that you have to give there. Here I have used the file descriptor equals to open of file name and read only once. This is the thing I have used over here, and int position equal to L6 since it is reading from the first to last. For that I have used initialized 0 and 2, and again int number equals to write ft buffer and string length buffer. Now at last you need to close the total function. Thank you. Now let me show you the code how it is going to be work. cc c7.c. Yeah. Please enter the file name to open. So the file name what I'm going to give is 2.txt. Enter the content to open. What is the content? Here I'm giving RRR. Here I'm giving RRR. Now let me show you the content. So you can see over here RRR is coming in the last. This is the following. Since the content is appended, since the data is appended, copy the next experiment is copy the file content from one source to destination. So we need to create, since I have created one sample sam.txt, now I'm going to show you the code. This is the following code for copying the text from one place to another place. So this is the following code. Int file. Here I have created two file descriptors, fd1 and fd2, and character source and destination I have created over here. For that, and enter the source file and enter the destination file, and read source only, read, and write only, or create. If it is not there, it will be created also. Then int number, then character buffer, while number equals to read, then it is going to be happen like this. Int number equals to write. These are the parameters over here, fd2 buffer and number. And those two times, since we have used the two file descriptor, we need to give two closing file descriptors in the last at the end of the program. Now let me show you the output, how it is going to be done. wd.c, enter the destination file, enter the source name. Since the source is everything sam.txt, destination file sam1.txt. Since we can see here, now I am going to show you the sam1.txt. So the total ended thing whatever there in the sam2.txt, that is entered in sam1.txt. The next experiment is about to read from 10th byte to 100 byte. To read the information from 10th byte to 100 byte. For that we need to give, let me show you the code now. Sorry. This is the following code for reading the text from 10th byte to 100th byte. So for that, the same things whatever we have done in the previous experiment, that only I am doing here. fd1 and fd2, character, source 1 and source destination file. So these are the things. So please enter the to read from 10th byte. So this is the thing I am doing here. Please enter the file to copy 100 byte. So read only once and rewrite only once. Here the simple logic is int number equals to write fd2 buffer on 90 and close. So this is the thing we need to do here for reading the buffer, reading the text from 10th byte to 100 byte. Now you can see the output now. So this is the following thing. Please enter the source file sam2.txt. Please enter the destination file. Let me show you the .txt. So you can see here in rev.txt, the total whatever the content will be reading over here from how many text words is there, that is reading over there. And the last one is enter the source file. So rename, for renaming that I'm going to give this is the simple logic behind the renaming the file whatever you have taken. And the character, source, destination file, two files we need to give. Since we are renaming the characters, printf, please enter the source file name to rename and please enter the destination file to rename, and link source to destination and unlink source. This is the following thing we need to use for executing this for the purpose of this program for renaming the text file. For that, please enter the source to rename. So source we have to sam2.txt is there, and again destination for whatever the file you need to give, you can give sample 22.txt. As you can see now, if you use sam2.txt, then it will show as empty. Since we have renamed the text file, it will show like that only. So the actual file is sample 22.txt. So here you can see the text whatever we have typed. So the rename has been done successfully. So these are the following simple programs using using file operations. We have done this and system calls as well. Thank you.